So guys, my Labrador was forcing me to show herself. So yeah, here you see her, Smokey. This is Smokey. No biting, no biting. Okay, you can whip my hand and all that. And one of her, these are turtles, but you cannot see them. Water is clear. Get out. So they're inside, and Smokey the Labrador is outside. So you guys can take a clear check on the dogs. You can see the clear. Meow, 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 meow. So you want to see Respo, guys? So if you guys wanted to see Respo, I'm really sorry. I have to go to a cage now. So Respo just came to me. Respo, what you wanting, boy? What you wanting? Beep 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 beep. So Respo came now, and he's like fully cuddling on. So I grab his leg. Respo! Respo! Meow, 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 meow. So I'm gonna grab his leg. I grabbed his leg. He doesn't like it, yeah. Every dog hates when you grab their leg. Come here, baby. Baby. I'm gonna try to go near to him. I'm gonna apologize. Sorry. Sorry, baby. Okay, you can give me a kiss. Okay, so this is a clear check of my boy. Go. Go. So how he. So this is Russian American Bully. Go. 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 He's just loving how I play. Hit the ball, hit the ball. I'm on a sugar. I'm on a... So he's just like trying to smell me. And I just want to put the cutie. He's such a cutie. He's trying to smell my bed now. And he's trying to... He's on it. So I'm gonna grab his tail. No? Are you really wanting this? You really want to play like this? You really When I put my head, he's not a boy when he comes. Boy, are you coming here? Boy, come here. Respo! So he tried to come and bite my hand, and then he was just like trying to get my pitchy. So he's like just coming near me, and I'm gonna grab him right here. Good boy. Okay. Smokey, why are you crying? Come here. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't like this cage so much. Sitting in a cage is so boring. I don't know how these dogs sit in there, but. So if you guys wanted a clear check on sharks, if you not see her really clearly, here's a clear how she looks. Here's the clear how she looks. This is how shark looks. Alright guys? This is how she looks. Good girl, come here! So shark is just like coming to get petty. She got her pets. So I'm gonna get her. I'm out of here. So I'm gonna go to my other haunted magazine, and if you're not seeing them really clearly, I'm showing you guys how clearly they look. So come here, sit down, sit. Hector, sit. Hector, sit. Hector, sit. Wait. So this is our Harlequin Great Dane Hector. Clearly you can see how tall he is. Look at how he plays. They're giving him medicine. ये मेडिसिन का क्या नेम है? नाम? Calcium medicine for dogs. Good boy. So I'm leaving it for you. I can leave it. Okay. If you're not seeing my Labrador or my Respo clearly. Hi, baby. What do you want? Okay, come here. What am I? like fully like hypered up now. So she's like, "Come here, everybody! Give me some nice and pet." And I like the only one. She's like, "Yay! I will show you." Okay, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. This is my closely Labrador, and this is Respo. Respo, Respo. This is Respo, the pit bull I was petting, and you've seen Shock and all. So you're now going to see RDX. RDX? You cannot see him so clearly. He is right there. You guys cannot clearly see him. He's a really ferocious dog. So we're just going to feed the fishes right now. So we're just going to feed the fishes, and we're making tanks with fishes. Prawns. My little girl! Hi! If you've not seen Rhino really clearly, I'm gonna show you her. So she's pregnant. Dog. No, baby mama. So she's kind of pregnant. Belly's really big. So I'm gonna leave her to her rest. So I kind of twisted my hand yesterday, and now I feel much better. If you're not seeing Cloud really clearly, this is Cloud, the lace bone. Get up, lazy. Get up, lazy. Oh yeah. So this is her appearance. Her clear appearance is like this. She's like pitch black. So here I'm in the kennel. Donna! And if you're not seeing Donna really clear, this is right now. Look at me. Yeah, this is Dollar. Another pit bull. This is Red. She loves to sleep. Amani. The softie. If you want to clear check Amani, he's like a cutie. He's like a cute boy. He's like a cute boy. Cute. So cute. So that's him. Out of his cage. And chopped. Togo. If you're not seeing Togo already, you little bestie. This is Togo. Iris. Our long friends. Girl, come here. Hi. This is her. You're not seeing her so clearly. This is her. You cannot see her so clear. So we're done with all of our pets and animals. Food. Let me guess the food. Okay, this food. So this is the food we give them. Let's buy pedigree. It becomes a whole people all the exact. Half kg. Half kg? We give half kg for everyone. In a day. Hector! Good boy! So when the reason I call him Hector. So he kind of changes his ears. So guys, I'm gonna see you in the next episode. Bye!